What is the history of probability in games of chance? Imagine sitting at a game table, rolling dice or drawing cards, wondering just how likely you are to win. The story of how people started understanding these chances is fascinating. Long ago, many cultures played games of chance like dice, cards, and lotteries, but they didn't really understand the odds involved. People often relied on superstition or gut feelings, not math. It wasn't until the 17th century that mathematicians began to analyze these games systematically. They wanted to find out how likely certain outcomes were, especially in gambling. Girolamo Cardano, a gambler himself, was one of the first to think about chance mathematically. He believed outcomes could be studied and predicted using numbers. Later, Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat started exchanging letters about problems involving dice and card games. They worked out ways to calculate the chances of winning or losing. Christian Huygens then formalized the idea of expected value, which helps determine how much a game is worth to a player or the house. Early probability focused on simple devices like dice and cards, which produce a limited number of outcomes. Mathematicians used what is called combinatorics, or counting methods, to see how many ways certain results could happen. This helped gamblers and casinos set fair bets and understand house advantages. Over time, people realized that fair dice should have faces with equal chances of landing face up. This shift from superstition to rational thinking led to the standard six-sided dice we see today. Casinos use probability to design games that are fair but profitable. They set rules and payouts based on mathematical calculations, so over many plays, the house maintains an edge. This balance keeps games engaging for players while ensuring the casino's success. The principles developed hundreds of years ago still guide how modern gambling works. Understanding the history of probability helps players see that behind every game is a foundation of math that determines the odds of winning or losing.